Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and in this quick video we're going to look at how to import an existing thesis or existing work into a created new document in Unimat. In the last video we looked at how to create or open a new document. So in this we're going to not start all over, but we're going to bring in an existing work we already have. So if you look closely from the last video, you'll see that there have been a template created for chapter 1 to 5 because that was what we selected. So it's already provided that context. But there is a peculiarity to chapter 1 whereby you see background to the study and statement of the research problem, and then M and objectives, justification of the study, scope of the study. So for chapter 1 particularly, we are going to bring in the work headings by headings. All right, so I have my MSc research here, so I'm going to be bringing them in that format. So we have background to the study, so I'm just going to copy the background to the study, so to end here. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to bring it in, and then once you click on this box you will see that has already been, you paste it, that box will disappear, so every other thing will be replaced. So you do that for the statement of the research problem. All right, so I'm going to copy statement of the research problem and bring it in. So I copy and I replaced it under statement of the research problem. So under M1 objectives, in ours we have things like M, we have objective, okay, so I'm going to copy it and replace. So for chapter 1 precisely, you're going to copy it topically, all right, based on what has already been projected, but the remaining chapter is not the same. So I'm just going to copy this and replace them. So we have the 1.3.1 as the M and the 1.3.2 as the objective. So the next will be my significance of the study. So I'm going to copy significance, which is also can be the justification, which, yeah, so I'm pasting this here and then I'm eliminating this, so this become the 1.4. and scope of the study, mine is scope and delimitation. So I'm just going to copy the scope and delimitation, and then since it stops there, I'm just going to copy every other thing that I have here because these are not in that research. So I'm copying till the study area, and then I'm going to control copy and control C rather, not control copy. So I'm going to paste this and I'll go back to eliminate any other thing that isn't supposed to be there. So fix the heading, and we're going to remove this so that we have the scope and delimitation as. And then if we check well, we'll see that we're done with our chapter 1 in terms of bringing it in. All right, so the next we're going to go to, so we'll just do this like this, so that now we're going to chapter 2. For the rest of the chapter, all you need to do is to select every other thing without any, so just select this, go down till the end of the chapter 2, and then paste it. Do the same thing for chapter 3, do the same thing for chapter 4, and do the same thing for chapter 5. So okay, so we'll copy our entire chapter 2 and we will replace it in this chapter 2. So everything has been replaced. But you're seeing another thing which we'll fix in the next video. So I won't say anything, we'll fix it in the next video. So chapter 2 has been placed. So that's how you place chapter 3 and chapter 4 as well. So basically this is how to import an existing work which was not done using the Abumat, the Unimat plugins. And when you want to do anything, as far as it is not inside here, you won't be able to use any of these tools that will help aid your work become faster and all of that. But you have to import it like the way I just did now. You do for chapter 3, do for chapter 4, and all of that. Bring everything in. Then you'll be able to have a control using the software to automatically format and do all the things that you needed. So basically this is how to import existing work in Unimat and using Abumat. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next video.